gonna fight you. I'm not gonna fight you. I swear to God.
Well, you gotta listen to us, man.
I'm trying to.
I'm scared.
Have you been drinking tonight?
Not a little bit, but a little bit.
How many drinks did you have tonight?
2 beers.
2 beers. Okay, why did you run?
I was scared.
So what's your costume tonight? Is it supposed to be like
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of threw it together. It's kind of like a bandit, like an Assassin's Creed, kind of like a goofy little. I kind of threw it together. Like,
hey, it's not bad for throwing it together.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you, man.
I figured because it was Halloween night, I could try and pull the line a little bit. I wasn't gonna be out here this long.
I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me for I want to go to jail. Please, sir.
I don't want you to take everything off. Robert, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle. Okay. All right, Robert.
Halloween just passed and the majority of you went out, you got your candy, and you went home. But some people can get a little too caught up in the mischief. In the spirit of the spooky season, we're pulling back the mask on 7 costume-wearing suspects that reveal the real consequences of their behavior. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's spooky episode of After Hours with a suspect wearing a Scream costume on the side of the highway. Not only is the man disrupting traffic, but he's brandishing a knife at Stark County deputies.
Stop! 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 Get down!
An officer briefly incapacitates the suspect with a taser until he manages to get up and run away.
Still got the knife! Still has the knife!
Stop, please. Stop! Turn this one up. He's got all kinds of stuff on him.
In the struggle, deputies handcuff the suspect and search for his knife.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Watch, he's got all kinds of stuff. And it's like, hey, we got. What's your name? What's your name?
I have that. I have that.
What's your name?
Go ahead. Okay.
What's your name?
Roll you.
Yep.
Okay. Roll towards Sarge.
Stop me there.
Where's that knife at?
What's your name? Huh? Dude, you know how close you come from getting shot?
I got something here in this back.
Something on this side, too.
Got a backpack on underneath here.
What?
We're going to take this off.
Come on, just cut the backpack.
No.
What's your name? Undo this. Roll him back over. Undoes that hand. I'll take possession of the hand.
Yep.
You guys pull everything off, right? If he starts fighting, just tase him again.
Ready?
You got the left hand?
If you move, you're going to get tased. I'm going to tell you that right now.
Left hand.
You understand?
Let that out. Don't.
You will get tased.
You're going to get tased. Do not move. You will get tased.
The man under the costume is revealed to be 35-year-old Jacob Weisgarber. He's then taken into custody with no injuries. On top of his outstanding warrant, Jacob's charged with 2 counts of aggravated menacing, obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and 1 count of inducing panic. At the time of this recording, he's awaiting trial on a $50,000 bond. Now we move over to Wyoming, Ohio, where officers receive a report about a man refusing to leave a Halloween party. The caller warns law enforcement that 55-year-old Michael Matheson's under the influence and potentially carrying a gun. Police discover Michael speeding down the street when they pull him over at a nearby gas station.
Put your hands up! Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Turn around, hands behind your back.
All units on Central Road, your traffic services to the lane 01 major.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Stop right there. Yeah, got out of the truck. Yep. What's up? Down on your knees. Just give us a second. Get down on your... Put your hands behind your back.
Michael casually reaches for something in his pocket, which is later revealed to be his phone.
I think it's a phone.
Keep your hands out of your pocket! Go ahead.
Here, I'm a cop. I swear to God, I'm not gonna fight you. Or an OIC.
I'm not gonna fight you, dude. I'm not going to. I swear to God, there's nobody in my truck. No, sir. I'm not gonna fight you. Listen to me. I'm not gonna fight you. I'm not gonna fight you. I swear to God.
Well, you gotta listen to us, man.
I'm trying to. Please help me.
31. What area do you need me?
32. We got one.
I've been a cop for 35 years.
Well, then you gotta listen.
I know.
Then why didn't you listen? Don't blame me.
The man in the face paint tries to leverage his employment as a police sergeant to avoid any trouble. Because of his suspicious behavior, officers detain and escort him to their patrol car.
Can you listen to these, please?
Here, turn around.
I swear to God. Dude, I would never hurt any of you. I'm a policeman.
Where at?
St. Bernard.
Okay, well you have to listen.
I know.
Why would you not just do as you were told? It's not that difficult. You know that.
I was just calling my daughter. That's all I was doing. I was making a phone call. I was calling my daughter. I just wanted her to know what was going on.
Okay.
And I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I wouldn't hurt you.
We'll talk to you here in just a minute.
Michael's charged with obstructing official business. The St. Bernard Police Department launched an internal investigation. At the time of this recording, the findings are not available. According to court records, Michael's charge was dismissed at the request of a prosecutor. Now a deputy's on patrol in Vero Beach, Florida, when he notices a reckless driver. Instead of the driver stopping to pull over for the traffic stop, he decides to accelerate.
I just hit him.
Several deputies join the chase, but the initial officer makes contact.
He ran into my car. He's going south now.
I also want to thank Morgan & Morgan for being such a proud sponsor of After Hours. Every single week with After Hours, the people on these body cams, it proves just how scary and unpredictable the world can be, especially when you're out driving. And one of the scariest things that can happen to you is if you get into an accident. But it's important to realize if you've been in an accident, your case, it could actually be worth millions. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. They have an army of over 1,000 attorneys. And these attorneys are going to fight for what you deserve. And they have the track record to prove it. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan won verdicts like $12 million in Florida, $26 million in Philadelphia, and $6.8 million in New York. All of these, by the way, way higher than the highest insurance offer. Even if your case isn't worth millions, why not start a claim and try to get the money that you deserve? Seeing if you have a case, all it takes 8 clicks or less, and their fee is absolutely free unless you win. They're only getting paid if you're getting paid. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments. The chase continues until the officer executes a pit maneuver, which is a pursuit tactic that forces a fleeing vehicle to turn sideways, causing the driver to lose control and stop.
I just pitted it. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Face away from me! 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 Hey, get back up! Get back up! Face away! Face away and put your hands up! Walk straight back! Walk straight back! Crossfire! Hey, hold on, Sarge, hold on. Hey, Sarge, glance at the car real quick. See anything?
There's nothing in there.
Put your hands behind your back. You hit my car. Get in the car.
The Egyptian prince is put into the patrol car while the deputies evaluate the scene and ensure the safety of nearby witnesses.
You're an idiot, you know that?
I'm scared. I just was scared. I don't want to be in trouble.
No, we're past that. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have an attorney present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a higher attorney, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning. If you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop and answer any time and speak with an attorney. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay, why did you run into my car when I tried to stop you when you come head on to me?
I ran into your car when?
Head on.
I'm saying, like, I'm just scared.
Excuse me?
I'm scared.
Have you been drinking tonight?
Not a little bit, but a little bit.
How many drinks did you have tonight?
2 beers.
2 beers. Okay, why did you run?
I was scared.
Scared of what?
I was at the McDonald's and I saw the cop lights and I'm like, oh Lord.
Do you have a warrant?
No, I'm on probation.
For what?
Leaving the scene of an accident.
Okay.
In St. Lucie County, in St. Lucie, Port St. Lucie.
Yeah, he already made the drinker. Hey, I'll let you take it back over since your traffic stop. So.
Yeah, you're definitely primary, and then obviously.
So what happened was.
Here, shut that door.
So when he was coming.
Hold on, we'll talk about it. Let's see if this car we can at least get it.
You want to move it?
The deputies attempt to move the BMW out of the middle of the street.
What the?
Push the emergency brake.
I did.
There you go. Now you good. Go to reverse.
Look at that.
Hold it.
I am, look. It's in reverse, look. I ain't driving this, man.
But it won't budge. An officer questions 28-year-old Edward Gabin about the motives behind his dangerous decision.
No, I'm sorry, because...
What are we trying to hit the other deputy's car for?
There wasn't even, like, I was trying to run. I was just scared, like, it wasn't intentional. I just wanted to go home.
Okay,
that's all. I wasn't, like, darting at his car, like...
What's your name?
Edward Gabin.
Edward?
Gabin, G-A-B-A-N.
Okay, do you have your ID in the car? Okay.
I think it's on the back of my phone.
Okay.
My phone's on the back of that car.
Okay.
It's in the phone case.
Alright, so you're willing to do field sobriety exercises and provide breath sample and all that?
I just want to go home.
Okay. Well, we gotta get through this first, alright?
Can you please?
Call me. Hey, get him out of my car so I gotta let Sergeant get in your car. Okay. You go to the other side.
Alright. Hey, if you find his ID, can you get it for me, please? Go ahead, step out for me. We're gonna go hop in my car real quick.
This dumbass Halloween costume.
Walk back this way. You see that car back there? Not the SUV, but the car? That's where we're going. What was your Halloween costume? Supposed to be like a Greek thing?
Greek thing, I guess. Goddess about this.
Was it a Halloween party? So we're gonna go to. Yeah.
Single one?
Yeah.
You want Shamar to do it.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's go over here.
Am I getting a new charge?
Are you getting a new charge? As in what?
like from what I'm already on probation for.
For today's incident? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, watch up real quick, all right?
According to the police report, the stipulations of Edwards' probation included no alcohol and no drugs. He told officers he had more than 5 alcoholic beverages while at the bar prior to driving. Edward is charged with aggravated fleeing to elude, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, and DUI. He took a plea deal and prosecutors dropped the aggravated assault charge. Edward was sentenced to 1 year suspension of his driver's license, 50 hours of community service, and ordered to complete DUI school. Next, we're heading to Lakewood, Ohio, when officers spot a man in all black stumbling around town.
Hey, buddy. Why don't you just stop for me, all right? Just stop where you're going. Stop where you're going. What's going on?
I'm walking home.
Well, you're not walking home very straight. Just stop walking. Stop walking. Stop. Stop. What are you holding on to right? What is that?
It's my belt.
Okay. Why are you holding on to it like that? Is it falling off somewhere?
I just don't want it to fall off.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Well, just leave it. No, you don't seem okay. You're stumbling all around. I'm driving up here and you're stumbling. You barely even walk straight.
No, I promise I'm okay. I just left the Angelos. I just left my work party.
Okay.
Where do you work?
I work at Angelos.
Angelos?
Yeah.
You still making pizzas at 5 o'clock in the morning?
No, I'm walking home. We just had the Angelos Halloween party.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe you had a few too many drinks at Angelo's party.
I'm literally 2 blocks away from my house.
I just see this belt around your neck.
Yeah, I got a big old...
You got no gun there or nothing like there?
Goofy old...
What's in your backpack over there? Don't reach it.
Yeah.
No guns in there, right?
No guns, no guns.
Alright.
I have no weapons.
No crack, no meth?
No, none of that stuff.
None of that stuff? Just alcohol. You like your alcohol?
I smoke. I
smoke
drink.
weed?
I do.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
That's alright.
Well, then,
Alright. Well, why don't we turn Batman around and play a game and put him under arrest?
yeah, turn behind your back.
Under arrest?
Yeah, you're drunk.
Please, can I go home?
We'll call your dad, and if he wants to come get you, he can take you home.
Please.
Okay? What's your first name?
Tyler.
Tyler what?
Binder.
Binder? Okay. Well, Tyler Binder, we're going to keep you safe.
You're getting cuffed, yeah.
You got to get handcuffed, or they get yelled at by me. It's the rules. All right?
When officers escort 27-year-old Tyler Binder to the patrol car, he starts to cry.
I'm so sorry, man.
It's alright. This has a clip, right?
It has a stupid pin on it. My belt's...
Yeah, we're just trying to take that off you.
Yeah.
That's fair. Yeah.
You hold on to them, do it so I can check this real quick.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll just get them in the back. You have anything in your pockets?
I do. I think I have a phone and my keys.
Pocket underneath these pants?
There is a second. Oh, what did I just drop? My headphone. That's okay. That headphone is not honestly very relevant.
Well, I don't want you to lose it though. I don't want you to lose it.
I respect you so much.
Is that the other one?
My other headphone is so broken, man.
Just relax. Don't reach.
I'll
get it for you.
I have my keys here, and I have my. I can't reach my phone.
I'll get it. I'll get it so we can call your dad.
Thank you.
You got another pair of pants on underneath here, right?
I have a small pair of shorts.
And that's where that has.
It has like nothing in it.
Is that where your phone's in?
My phone is right here.
Is it like a weird? Oh, okay. I see it now.
Right here.
Thank you.
I don't think there's anything.
Headphones?
Yeah, somebody else gave me those headphones at the party.
Where are you walking from?
I'm walking from Angelo's.
You guys had the party there?
Yes, we did. Yes.
Okay. And the party just ended?
It ended at like 2:30.
So what have you been doing for 4 hours?
It took me a long. I'm a little drunk. It took me a long walk.
I can tell you're a little bit. What are you holding on to right here?
Keys right here. Those are my house keys.
House keys?
Yes.
Do you have an ID on you? Is it in?
It's in my wallet.
Where's your wallet at?
My wallet
is
in
in your.
in that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's get you in the car so we're out of the rain. All right. We'll get you out of the rain for a little bit because I feel like you've been walking for a while. All right. What's gonna happen? We're gonna take you over to the police station. Okay. We're not gonna book you in if your dad can come get you. We'll just sit in the car until your dad comes and get you.
Please.
Okay. So that's what's gonna happen.
Come on, take a seat. Come on.
Don't trip on that belt you got.
This belt is like 9 feet long. It's part of my Halloween costume. I'm so sorry about this.
It's all good. Just take a seat in. Just slide on it. Here,
It's just part of my Halloween costume.
Okay.
It's really long. It's literally way taller than me. I'm 6 feet tall, and this stupid belt is like 9 feet long. I can't do anything about it.
Who would you want to come pick you up?
My brother.
You want your brother to come get you?
Please.
What's your brother's phone number?
With Tyler's assistance, one of the officers gets a hold of his older brother.
Alright, so we picked up your brother, Tyler. He's out wandering the streets, pretty intoxicated. So we got a few calls. He was walking in the middle of the roadway on Madison. So we picked him up for disorderly conduct, intoxicated. Are you available to come get him from the jail? It's no cost or anything. We just need a sober party to come get him, okay? Do you know where the police department is? Alright, just pull into the back. You'll see police cars that are on the hill, and we'll have an officer come out and talk to you, okay? Alright, I appreciate it. We're just leaving Madison now. We'll be back there in like 5-10 minutes, okay? Alright, thanks. Okay. Bye. Alright. Alright, Tyler. Hey, Tyler. Hey, what you upset about? Look, it's a misdemeanor ticket. It's a minor misdemeanor. It's not on your record. You just gotta pay a fine, okay? Your brother's on his way, so you don't even have to go into the jail. You won't leave this car until you get in your brother's car. Sound good?
I appreciate you.
All right.
Hey, look at me. I appreciate you so much, man.
Yeah, I don't want to see anything happen to you walking out here in the streets, all right? Especially wearing all black. All right.
Look, man.
All right. We'll get you back so your brother can get you, okay? All right, sounds good. Take care.
So what's your costume tonight? Is it supposed to be like
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of threw it together. It's kind of like a bandit, like a Assassin's Creed, kind of like a goofy little. I kind of threw it together. Like,
hey, it's not bad for throwing it together.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, there's definitely people that throw stuff together that they just end up looking like, they didn't even dress up at all. So.
Yeah, that's true. You got any plans for this Halloween holiday?
Not really. Me and all the guys.
Do you have scheduled work?
Yeah, we're working the whole weekend. So,
man.
Yeah. So no plans for us.
Yeah. I'm hoping to hand out some candy.
Yeah.
I bought a bunch of candy. I bought a new bowl. I'm hoping to hand it out. Yeah. I got Halloween off, so.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Give some kids some candy,
Yeah, I do too. I have the actual day off, but I think the neighborhood they don't really do too much.
Yeah, I understand that. Not every neighborhood does. So.
In the end, Tyler was charged with disorderly conduct and cited $275. He was released to his brother that night.
72, I'll be today. They've got Batman in custody.
Next up, we're in Florida on Halloween night when police confront a man dressed in tactical attire outside Cafe Da Vinci.
Yeah, like I told him earlier, I was just out at the range with a buddy of mine earlier today. I came straight from the range. Haven't been home yet, so I forgot my concealed carry holster at the house, so I just threw this on.
Why wouldn't you just leave it in the car?
It's a changing world out there, man.
I mean, most people aren't allowed to open carry,
when I was a kid, I didn't happen. I went to Deland High School and I caught the tail end of it. Like, during hunting season, I had my ammo stored locked in my glove box. I could have my rifle underneath my seat unloaded.
Yeah.
And none of the administrators would report it, nothing like that. I mean, this happened. I'd show up in my camo, or change my shirt real quick, throw my hunt shirt on, go out to the woods,
Like you said, my man, unfortunately, times have changed.
The open carry Florida statute does not protect the suspect in this situation since he's carrying while at a bar, not while he's fishing, hunting, or camping. One of the officers on scene breaks down the law.
Listen, man, I'm gonna, because I know about these alcohol beverage laws and stuff like that, because I used to enforce them.
Okay.
And where you're misled in that is how the business is licensed.
Okay.
So Gators is licensed as a restaurant. Okay. And so their license says that they have to have so much ratio of food versus alcohol sales, and they serve alcohol under the guise of a restaurant. This establishment is licensed as a nightclub. Okay, it is a bar. Okay. So anywhere on their premise, you would be completely prohibited by Florida law for carrying a firearm. period, unless you were like a hired licensed security agent or a law enforcement officer or something like that. So it comes down to the licensing of the business.
Yeah.
This is not a license as a restaurant. This is licensed as a bar. Gators is licensed as a restaurant. So yes, you can go to Olive Garden and you can carry a gun and you can eat because it's a restaurant. That's how their license reflects. That's not the case here. So they're apples and oranges in that context. So if there's misconceptions of the statute and how that works, that's why.
Well, thank you for bringing that mention. I was going to go and do some research anyway, but thank you for that.
Right.
Yeah. No, I'm going to go read up on it. That just doesn't quite make sense in my eyes.
22-year-old Michael Ribar explains how he met up with his girlfriend earlier to decide what they would wear for Halloween. Since Michael's in the process of applying for a security guard license, he decides to dress up as one.
I figured because it was Halloween night, I could try and play the line a little bit. I wasn't going to be out here this long. I was waiting for them to come out with the drinks and then we were going to head on.
Well, it goes without saying, especially when folks turn on the news and we see what's going on around the world today. A lot of folks are on edge. They don't know you. And, they don't know what your intentions are.
Hey, man, you just mind putting your drink down? Putting your drink back.
Hey, when we back to the station, I want to get this off you, alright?
Yeah, alright. Control our hands up with me.
Okay, perfect.
We appreciate it.
We appreciate that.
Can this come off now, so with the buckles? Does it zip or does it Velcro?
Got it? Got it, Kel?
Is it possible to take that belt off?
How about this belt? How's this belt? Like a normal belt? Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
There should be...
I'm going to walk you over to my car and we're just going to do everything by my car, okay?
Police seize Michael's black bulletproof vest, his 9mm handgun, 3 loaded magazines, and his tactical belt containing handcuffs, a baton, and a medical kit as evidence.
That's where I put the extra round that was in the chamber.
Okay.
Yeah.
Her keys are on my vest. Are you gonna hand everything to her?
Yeah, we'll do that for you. Where's she at?
What was her name?
Sarah.
Sarah? All right, so
Last name Partiers.
We'll get with Sarah.
She's in that black dress.
Yes, sir.
You're also going to get trespass. Hold it for a second. Whoever you arrested downstairs, I'm sure. Okay.
All right.
Just to take this off your face. Huh? Okay, thank you. Okay, sure, good, sir. I'm going to take a seat.
Michael's arrested and charged with 2 counts of open carrying weapons. He was released the next day after posting $1,000 bond. As long as Michael follows all the conditions of his 6 months probation, the misdemeanor will remain off his record. Now we head west on the other side of the Florida coast, where Northport police observe a driver waiting at a red light in the middle of the intersection. The officer conducts a traffic stop on the black Hyundai to find a woman in an all-white angel costume.
How are you?
Hi, good.
You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, I was just picking up my friend.
Okay.
I was just picking up my friend from Northport.
Okay. Where are you headed to?
She lives in Northport. I was just trying to
Thank you. You got your registration badge for the park?
yeah, I'm trying to.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Your fake cut had scared me when I walked up. I forgot tomorrow's Halloween.
Pardon?
I said your fake cut had scared me when I walked up.
Oh.
Forgot tomorrow's Halloween. I'm like, oh boy.
I know, right?
So, reason I got stopped, few things. When you're sitting at the light back here to make the left,
Yeah.
you're all the way out in the intersection.
Oh, okay.
Like you were past the crosswalk, but you were on Toledo Blade for making the left.
Okay.
The tags on the car, is the car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tags on the car expired back in March.
Yes, sir.
Or April, I'm sorry. And your license is suspended.
Yes, sir.
Did you know your license was suspended?
I was trying to renew it. I'm actually working on it because I was working with the Sarasota court about it, so I was working on actually renewing it, everything.
Okay.
So I apologize about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Who's it for?
It was the State Farm.
Okay. Can you either pull it up on your phone, or do you have a copy of it, or anything in the car?
Yeah, I can look it up.
Okay, that's fine.
I was just down here because I worked in Sarasota, in Port Charlotte today, this morning, from about 10:30 to about 4 p.m. And then we met at a friend's house. We just got ready for Halloween, and we met at a friend's house. And I was just driving back home. Like, I wanted to go back home, but she called me. She's like, "Hey, can you bring me to my home real quick?" And that's what I was trying to do.
Okay. So work on your insurance. I'm gonna see why your license is no good, and we'll go with it from there. Okay.
During a background check, the officer discovers Naomi Furrer has 3 active suspensions for failure to pay traffic citations.
Do me a favor, hop out real quick.
Yep.
Let's have a conversation. Alright, we'll come right back over here so we don't get hit. Alright, so listen, tonight's not my first night doing this.
Okay.
Where are y'all really coming from tonight?
Literally from the house, Chill's house, her name is. It's from Sister Menace Terrace or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not really anything a lot. I literally just we were just like talking and more or less.
Okay. Because your eyes are bloodshot and glossy. Your speech is slightly slurred.
I'm just very tired, that's all. It's been a very long night. I've been working all day too, so.
And there's alcohol coming off the gut. Okay? So, what I'd like to do is check your eyes, do a couple exercises, make sure you're good. Okay? Cool with that? Alright, just take like 2 steps back.
Okay.
Do you wear glasses, contacts, anything like that?
I wear contacts.
Okay. Are they in right now?
Yes, right.
Are they permanent, or are they hard or soft?
I always take them out every night.
Okay, so they're soft. Can you stand with your feet and heels together like this?
Yes.
Arms straight down your side. The very tip of the pen right here where my finger is, can you see that?
Yep.
Actually, let me kill my light so I'm not blinding you. Figure it's a little rude for you staring into that bright light. So, right here, tip of my pen is.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
With your left pointer finger, I want you to reach up, touch the tip of the pen, and put it back down your side. Okay. That's your right.
Oh, my left and my right.
Okay. So we're in agreement where the tip of the pen is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna move it back and forth in front of your face a few times.
Okay.
I want you to keep your head straight
Okay.
and just follow it back and forth with your eyes.
Gotcha.
Make sense?
Yep.
Naomi agrees to participate in a series of field sobriety tests to determine her impairment.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, like that.
How did I explain the exercise?
You turn like
Okay.
that. Like turn like that.
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. You can turn back around.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. XC, sorry.
Okay.
I'm from Switzerland.
I got
It's
you.
more different. I'm sorry.
So tilt your head slightly back. Close your eyes. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. And I want you to start on the number 46 and count backwards to the number 29.
Right now?
Yeah.
46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 39, 30, 39, 38, 37, 36, 6, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28.
Okay. What number, do you remember what number I told you to start and stop on?
You said start at 38 and then start at 49 and I forgot what the second one. I'm sorry. I just didn't
I
really.
got you. Just do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. You're under arrest for DUI. Okay? DUI.
But I'm not drunk or anything.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, mate. Just look back forward. I'm going to take your watch off, okay?
But I did everything that you asked me to, right?
You did everything that I asked you to, but all those exercises you performed,
Yeah.
I look for indicators of impairment, okay? And tonight, you have exhibited enough indicators of impairment to believe you are not safe to operate a motor vehicle, okay?
But I was just, I literally just didn't remember the
I'm
number.
going to lock these so they don't get any tight on you.
It wasn't just the number.
Okay. So.
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please.
Okay.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please. I don't want to get out of. I don't want to get kicked out of
Wait
the
until I
US.
have a white female 10-15-71.
I understand. I won't do that until, please, sir.
But you.
I literally stopped
You're
the car.
not
I
even.
have somebody pick me
You're
up.
not even supposed to be driving in the first place. You have 5 different suspensions on your license. You have an insurance suspension and 3 fail to pay traffic tickets.
I
So
promise.
I'm not going to
I'll
sit
have
here.
somebody pick up me. Please.
We're past that.
I know, but I will not have anybody. Please don't charge me for a DUI. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up. Please, I'll leave my car here, like you said you would.
We can't leave a car here, and I never said we would.
Or, no, but I mean, like, I have the car.
Well, the car can't be driven anyway because there's no insurance on it.
But, yeah, exactly. But, like, I'll have to, please take the DUI off. Please, sir. I promise have somebody pick me up.
It's out of my
please.
hands.
That should have been done before you left, wherever you left, okay? You can't be driving like this. How people die.
I understand, sir, but I wasn't drinking or like I wasn't thinking I would cause an accident or anything.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 0
Yeah.
being stone cold sober,
Yes.
10 being the most drunk you've ever been in your life, where would you put yourself?
I think I would put myself at 2 because I did have one drink, but like nothing crazy or anything.
So if your car was a school bus full of kids,
Yeah.
would you drive it in your current condition?
I think I would be capable.
Okay, but would you? Would you, it being entrusted with the lives of children, per se, would you drive those kids around in the condition that you're in right now?
Yes. I think it would be fine. I mean, personally, I think I'd be capable of driving it.
Okay. Well, we disagree on that tonight, okay?
But
So you are going to jail for DUI.
When responding officers locate a jersey in her car to cover her up, she offers a different approach.
Please, sir, please. I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me, but I don't want to go to jail.
Well,
Please, sir.
I don't want you to take everything off.
Sir, please.
Okay, we're past that. No one wants to go to jail.
I don't have any mom or dad is
Come
here.
on, please.
They're all in Switzerland, sir. I have nobody call when I get to the station.
Okay. They will let you get numbers of friends and everything
I
out of
don't
your phone.
have anybody, please.
You were just at a friend's house.
Yeah, but
you
I
have to
don't
know
know
people.
the numbers.
Well, you will be, any numbers you have in your phone, you'll be able to get out when you get there. So please have a seat in the car.
Sir,
Please, I'm not going to ask you again. Please have a seat.
I understand, but please, can you not make an exception, please? I promise I'll be
we are
doing
past
it.
that. I need you to sit in the car.
What would I have to do?
Nothing. The only thing that you could do to not go to jail tonight is not drive drunk. That's the only thing that would stop you from not going to jail tonight, is not driving drunk.
I wasn't trying to. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to. Promise.
I understand you weren't trying to, but you were. So.
But I wasn't driving drunk at all.
Okay. Please have a seat.
And there's nothing I can do, sir?
No, ma'am. Fortunately, there's not.
Even if somebody picks me up?
We're past that. Can you please put your knees in towards the front? Thank you.
Naomi's arrested and charged with reckless driving DUI and driving while license suspended. She pleaded no contest to the charges. Naomi was sentenced to pay $1,001. As long as she completes the terms of her 12-month probation, the DUI charge will not be on her record. We end today's episode of After Hours with Ledyard police spotting a driver sitting behind the wheel at a park. An officer approaches the car with some questions.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I'm not sure.
I'm trying about.
Not sure how much you had to drink tonight?
To a Robert Stable out of Route 12 Galesbury.
Okay. All right. You had drinks earlier at home?
Right.
Okay. And then where'd you go after that? Just right here?
Home, and then they just decided to come here and sit.
Okay. You were home, you came here and sat. That's it? That's all we did?
Right.
Who else is at home with you?
Just me.
Just you? Okay. Were you going to meet up with somebody, or you just come here to sit?
No, just me and sit and... No.
Okay. So you passed out when I got here. Were you sleeping when I got here?
No, I was sitting awake.
Sitting awake?
I wasn't awake. I mean, I wasn't asleep.
Okay. So you don't live with anybody?
Right.
Okay. And where do you live in Gales Ferry?
Over here.
Is it the trailer park? The area
no,
of?
It's an apartment.
It's an apartment? Is it the Christie Hills or no?
Next to that.
Next to that?
You know where the condos are?
Yep. Christie Hill condos,
it's
yep.
near that. Right next. Right,
okay. So you don't have your license on you? You don't have your wallet?
I think I do have it. Yep. I thought I forgot it. I thought I didn't grab it. But I did.
Thank you. One 3 issue. I have Robert. Give me a couple minutes, right, Robert?
Okay.
Roger. Robert, how's that eval Delta? Go ahead, go on.
Robert. Well, if he's getting arrested, he did the work for us.
Who's getting arrested?
So if he got arrested, he did the work for us. If he, you're not getting what I'm saying because you haven't seen him yet. He's hammered. He's cuffed. Volunteer, like. Robert, do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle.
Okay. I have
Yep. Okay. All right, Robert. So, how much you had to drink tonight?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure, but a lot, right?
Probably.
Okay. Do you have any friends in the area that can come pick you up to get you out of here?
I don't think so.
You have nobody can come pick you up because you can't drive. You're in no shape to drive at this point. All right. So, I'm trying to give you a break tonight. All right, because your vehicle is here, parked, and everything like that. But I need you to get it right out of here, though. That's gonna be the issue. Okay. I can't let you walk.
I agree.
Okay. You have no friends, no family, no nothing. Do you have an Uber app or anything like that?
I don't have anybody that would be available.
Okay. You want to make an attempt to make a phone call? Do you have an Uber? Do you have a taxi number? Do you have money on you?
I'm not signed up on Uber.
All right. Do you have money? Do you have a card on you? Credit card on you?
I do have that.
All right, Robert. Make an attempt to get out of here. All right. I'll give you a few minutes. Okay. All right. You get your phone on you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. All right, Robert.
I will not drive.
No, make some phone calls though, right? I'm gonna hang out and give you some time to make some phone calls. Maybe contact a taxi, some shit like that. Get yourself out of here, okay?
Sure.
Get yourself brought home, okay? Because you can't sit here and you can't drive, okay?
How long do I?
I'll give you some time. I'll give you a little bit, all right? So go ahead and get your phone, make some phone calls, okay?
All right.
Officers give the 49-year-old Robert Fable a chance to call for a ride since his outfit isn't exactly weather permitting for a walk home.
I'm trying to figure it out because I'm not used to. I think I got it.
Right, you're doing Uber?
Yes. Does that look?
Yeah, driver details in a couple minutes, 4 minutes. All right. So you have one coming, looks like?
I think so. I'm not sure, I've never used it before.
Okay. All right, Robert, make sure you leave the car here and take your keys with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you turn your lights off. I think you did it already.
Not long after, the same officer catches Robert behind the wheel again, this time driving along Route 12.
1-3 issue, I'm gonna have that vehicle stopped again.
1-3 issue, I'm gonna have that vehicle stopped again. This time it's gonna be in his driveway. 1546 Route 12. Robert, I gave you the benefit of the doubt, bro.
Sorry.
Yeah. Do me a favor, stay right there.
Okay.
Roger.
I gave you the benefit of the doubt, man.
Are you good?
I thought I would...
You know, you thought you can make it, right?
Be done.
All right, take your handcuffs off. Take your cuffs off your feet.
I don't have the...
Okay, well, I have keys. Are they the same keys?
Probably.
Take these keys from here and undo them. If it's the same type. It should be. Take them off your feet too.
What's that?
Take them off your ankles also.
Yes. Can you shine the light?
Yeah, 360 heading that way.
Roger.
It's yours.
Yes, sir. All right, Robert, you do a few tests for me? Standardized field sobriety tests? Come back here, okay? Why don't you come sit over here, okay? It's just a little flat over here, okay?
Robert steps out of the vehicle to participate in some field sobriety tests.
You okay with doing some tests for me?
I think I have to, right?
Hey, you don't have to. You can decline if you want to. I just want to make sure you were good to drive, that's all. All right? Stand right here and face this way so my light's not in your eyes, okay? Okay. Anything wrong with your legs, knees, back? Anything that prevents you from walking or standing on one leg?
I do have back pain.
You have back pain? Okay. How about eyes? You wear contacts, glasses?
I just recently got glasses.
Recently got glasses? Okay. Are you a diabetic?
Yes.
You are diabetic, okay. When was the last time you slept?
This morning.
This morning? Okay, so normal sleeping schedule?
I think so.
Okay. All right. And how much did you drink tonight? I know you said a lot.
Sure.
Yeah, okay.
I definitely drank.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm going to check your eyes, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here's what I want you to do. Put your hands down by your side, okay? Don't do anything until I tell you to, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to follow. You see the top of my finger?
Yes.
Okay. With your eyes only follow the top of my finger, okay? Nope. Keep your head straight. Using your eyes and your eyes only, follow the top of my finger, okay? You can see it, right?
I think so.
Okay. Keep your head straight. Over here, keep going. There you go. Come all the way over. Keep going. There you go. All right. All right, Robert, same question again, okay? I know you say you had back pain. Anything wrong with your legs, knees, or back? Anything that prevent you from walking in a straight line?
I don't think so.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do, Robert, okay? Do me a favor. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, just like this for me. All right? Don't do anything until I tell you to, okay? Stand in that position for me, okay? Right foot in front of your left foot, just like this. Okay? All right. When I tell you to, You're gonna take 9 steps forward in a heel-toe fashion, okay? You're gonna count out loud each step, okay? So look just like this. 1, 2, 3. Once you hit 9, okay, you're gonna take a series of small steps just like this, okay? So you're facing the rear of your vehicle. You'll again take 9 steps in a heel-to-toe fashion, okay? Just like this. 1, 2, 3. You can look down at your feet, okay? And you'll count out loud each step, okay?
Okay.
You understand the test? Begin whenever you're ready.
9.
1, 3 issue, I'm testing.
1.
Roger, one person.
4. 5. 6. 7. 9. So, definitely.
Put your feet together. Hands down by your side. Again, don't do anything until I tell you to, okay, Robert? Again, no injuries, correct? No leg injuries, just a little bit of back pain package, okay? When I tell you to, you lift one leg approximately 6 inches from the ground. You're going to point your toe parallel. You're going to look down top of your toe, and you're going to count out 1001, 1002, 1003. Can you do me a favor? Can you cut my lights off?
Sure.
All right, Robert, test will look like this, okay, Robert? 1001, 1002, 1003. If you put your foot down, let's say you put it down to count of 5, okay? Just pick up and restart at 5. You understand the test?
I think so.
Begin whenever you're ready, Robert.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hands down by your side. There you go.
5, I think.
That's it. 5. Good. You're good. 5. You're good.
And then the other.
Just keep going. Just restart at 5. Okay. Same thing. Pick your foot back up. Point your toe parallel. Look down at your toe, and you're gonna count out loud.
1.
Robert, you have any clothing in your vehicle? Pants, shirt?
My vehicle, no.
Okay. I'm guessing in your house you do though, right?
There. Yeah.
All right. Is your house unlocked?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Because at this point in time, you're under arrest for DUI, okay? All right. I gave you that opportunity back there. You chose to drive. Again, okay? So you are under arrest for DUI. However, I would like to have you have pants on or something on so I'm not walking you into my building looking like you're looking like at this point in time.
Appreciate it.
Okay? Can my officer go in your apartment and just grab your pants?
Yeah, go with me or.
No, I don't want you going. I mean, are there clothing like as soon as he walks in, you can grab a pair of pants and be good? Or are we.
Remember.
Okay.
It's probably right there. It's
Well, we have a Tyvek suit. What we'll do is we'll get back to the PD and get you a Tyvek suit before I walk you into the building. How's that sound? So that way you're not just standing like this for 4 hours, okay? Robert, do me a favor. Just turn around. You're under arrest, okay? All right?
Okay.
2 sets because you are a big guy.
Yep.
Is that too tight?
It seems okay.
Seems okay? All right. I'm trying not to go on your... Yeah.
Pretty
Big wrist.
Yeah.
All right, Robin, watch your head. Let me get a light for you. Hold on. Just watch your head, okay?
Thanks.
Robert's arrested and charged for driving under the influence. He was released after posting the $1,500 bond. At the time of this recording, Robert's court records are sealed. Thanks for watching this Halloween edition episode of After Hours. Law and Crime After Hours is researched, written, and produced by Jordan Chacon. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
I appreciate you. Hey, look at me. I appreciate you so much, man.